Did you know that most cars lose up to 10 to 15% of their original horsepower within just a few years? Not because the engine is weak, but because drivers unknowingly reduce performance through neglect. A few years ago, I attended a technical workshop where engineers trained on systems inspired by companies like Toyota and Honda emphasized something surprising. Before adding power, restore the power you already lost. That mindset is deeply rooted in Japanese automotive philosophy. Efficiency before modification. In Japan, performance is not always about adding turbochargers or installing aftermarket parts. It is about eliminating inefficiencies, restoring factory calibration, and ensuring every combustion cycle operates at peak precision. When airflow is corrected, ignition timing is stabilized, throttle response is recalibrated, and internal friction is minimized, the combined effect can feel like a genuine power upgrade, without touching a single mechanical component. And today, I'm going to show you Japanese methods to boost your car's horsepower up to 30% without any modifications. Let's begin with one of the easiest methods. Method number 1. Deep intake decarbonization. In Japan, maintaining a clean intake is not just a chore, it's a performance ritual. Over time, carbon buildup on your intake valves acts like a literal chokehold on your engine's airflow, especially in direct injection motors. By performing a professional walnut blasting or using a high-grade Japanese intake cleaner, you can see a verified horsepower restoration of up to 9.45%. That is nearly 10 horsepower back on a 100 horsepower engine just by letting it breathe again. Beyond the raw numbers, this process can recover over 16 Newton-meters of torque, making your car feel punchy and responsive like the day it left the showroom. This is not about adding new power. It's about liberating the horses trapped behind layers of soot and grime. Most drivers also report a 15% reduction in idle fuel consumption because the ECU no longer has to fight turbulent air. It is the ultimate reset button for your engine's physical health and efficiency. Method number 2. Aggressive carbon removal. Carbon buildup is one of the biggest hidden horsepower killers. Studies show that heavy carbon deposits can reduce engine efficiency by up to 8%. Japanese performance maintenance philosophy, especially in training programs influenced by companies like Toyota and Honda, treats severe carbon buildup as a performance restriction, not just a cleanliness issue. Aggressive carbon removal involves deeper cleaning methods such as controlled combustion chamber treatment, professional intake valve cleaning, or high-temperature decarbonization procedures. When carbon layers thicken, they disrupt airflow turbulence and cause uneven fuel burn. That weakens combustion pressure and reduces power stroke strength. Once carbon is reduced, airflow improves, compression stabilizes, and ignition timing operates closer to factory targets. Drivers often report smoother acceleration and stronger high RPM performance immediately after proper cleaning. It's not magic, it's restored airflow physics. Method number 3. Low-friction Japanese synthetics. Japanese oil brands like Enios and Idemitsu are engineered with a focus on reducing viscous drag, which is the internal resistance of the oil itself. Switching from a standard conventional oil to a high-viscosity index Japanese synthetic can provide an immediate 2% boost in fuel efficiency. While 2% sounds small, it represents a significant reduction in internal friction, meaning less energy is wasted turning the crankshaft and more is sent to the wheels. These oils use advanced zero-weight technology to remain fluid even during cold starts, protecting your engine from the very first revolution. By minimizing metal-on-metal contact, you are not just gaining a tiny bit of free power, you are significantly extending the lifespan of your engine components. Tuners often find that high-quality lubricants can lower engine temperatures by several degrees, allowing the car to maintain its peak performance for longer periods without heat soak. It is the simplest set-it-and-forget-it way to ensure your engine is operating at its absolute peak thermodynamic potential. Method number 4. Consistent, high-quality fuel use. Many drivers constantly switch between fuel grades to save a little money. But here is what most don't realize. Modern engines continuously adjust ignition timing based on fuel knock feedback. If you use inconsistent or low-quality fuel, the ECU retards timing to prevent engine damage. Retarded timing reduces cylinder pressure, which directly reduces horsepower. Even a few degrees of timing reduction can noticeably impact acceleration. Japanese engineers stress fuel consistency because stable octane levels allow optimal ignition advance. When ignition timing stays properly advanced, combustion pressure increases, producing stronger force on the pistons. That means more usable horsepower without touching the engine hardware. Stable fuel equals stable power. Method number 5. Correcting air-fuel ratios. The mass airflow sensor determines exactly how much fuel your engine injects. If it is even slightly dirty, airflow readings become inaccurate. Research shows that minor MAF contamination can alter air-fuel mixtures by up to 5 to 10%. When the air-fuel mixture is incorrect, combustion weakens and throttle response suffers. Japanese service protocols treat sensor cleaning as performance maintenance. Carefully cleaning the MAF sensor with proper electronic safe cleaner restores accurate airflow measurement. When the air-fuel ratio returns to ideal balance, combustion becomes stronger and more complete. The engine feels smoother, acceleration sharpens, and mid-range torque improves. Many drivers think they need performance chips, when in reality, their sensors just need cleaning. Method number 6. Proper engine warm-up discipline. Contrary to popular belief, long idle warm-ups don't increase performance. They reduce efficiency. Japanese engineers recommend gentle driving immediately after startup instead of extended idling. This allows the engine to reach optimal operating temperature under light load, which improves fuel atomization and combustion efficiency. When oil viscosity stabilizes and clearances reach proper thermal expansion, friction reduces significantly. Lower friction equals better mechanical efficiency and more usable horsepower. Method number 7. Engine breathing efficiency through preventive maintenance. Japanese automotive culture strongly emphasizes preventive maintenance as a performance tool. Replacing a partially clogged air filter, ensuring spark plugs are within correct gap specification, and confirming proper PCV valve operation can dramatically affect combustion efficiency. A weak spark or restricted airflow reduces burn efficiency inside the cylinder. When ignition and airflow are optimized, each combustion cycle becomes more powerful. Multiply that by thousands of cycles per minute, and you feel the difference immediately. This is not modification. This is mechanical optimization. Now here is the truth most drivers ignore. Horsepower loss happens gradually. You don't notice it day by day. But when you restore airflow accuracy, combustion quality, transmission efficiency, and throttle calibration all at once, the combined effect feels like a performance upgrade. Before spending money on performance parts, restore what your engine already had when it left the factory.